staying with the pattern, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, experimental 49er, Echo X-ray is 2 miles to the northeast. We'll be entering a midfield left downwind for 2 full stops, Lewis.
Lewis traffic 17202 Golf, right turn out to the west, right there.
Is that traffic coming in, going in on 2 or 20?
20.
So no left number golf, part of the area to the west, golf.
I'm turning left out, left base, runway 12, Papa Grove.
Lewis traffic back 2202 Quebec, turn left crossing runway 20 Lewis.
And Lewis traffic, experimental 49er, Echo X-ray, 1 mile to the east, entering midfield left downwind, 20, full stop, Lewis.
You on traffic there, 197 Mike Charlie, press runway 20, making there.
Traffic Skyhawk 673 Mike Alpha, crossing runway 9er and 27 on Golf, Lewis. Lewis, traffic back 2202 Quebec, exit the pattern to the east and rejoin on the 45 left down runway 20, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, experimental 49er, X-ray, left base, 20, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, November 674 Mike Alpha, cross with Lewis University, runway 20, Lewis.
Lewis traffic, experimental 49er, Echo X-ray, turning half mile final, 20, Lewis.
Traffic, Viper Saratoga, 114 Lima, 10 miles to the north on the practice RNAV for 18. I'd like to do a straight-in approach if traffic allows, otherwise I'll go missed. Great Morse. Morse traffic, Sky Class 367 Hotel, 3 miles north of the field. At 1100 we'll be entering the left base runway 18 going missed, 67 Hotel.
November 674 Mike Alpha, midfield, base leg, runway 20, Lewis.
Correction, left downwind circle, Mike Alpha, Lewis.
Lewis, traffic back 2202 Quebec is on a 2 mile 45 left downwind runway 20, Lewis.
And Lewis traffic, experimental 49er, Echo X-ray, clear, 20 on Lima and Lewis.
Missed the call for that cross on traffic, sorry about that.
Lewis traffic, November 674 Mike Alpha, turning left base, runway 20, Lewis.
Traffic Sky 197 Mike Charlie, turning about a half mile 45, runway 20. That's a mile, oh yeah.
Lewis traffic, November 674 Mike Alpha, turning final, runway 20, Lewis.
Lewis traffic Sky 197 Mike Charlie, joining the midfield left down runway 20, Lewis.
Lewis, traffic back 2202 Quebec is turn left base runway 20, Lewis. Papa Go traffic, right base 260, Papa 2 miles to the east, entering the 45 for 12 Papa. Lowest traffic, back 2202 Quebec is turning 1.5 mile, runway 20 close.
Lewis traffic, November 674 Mike Alpha, going in for a go around.
You're fucking kidding me.
Serious? Morris traffic, Sky 5367 Hotel is overflying the field at 1,400. We'll be departing the area to the south, 67 Hotel.
All traffic, Mr. Papa, Q9 Romeo, 10 miles southwest of Bongo.
Lewis traffic, Sky 197 Mike Charlie, turning left base, runway 20 Lewis.
Loud and clear.
Morris traffic, 114 Galima on a 5-mile final for a 1-8, Morris. Lewis traffic, Sky 197 Mike Charlie, turning final, runway 20 Lewis. Morris traffic, Sky Morris traffic, 172 Bravo Foxtrot on left downwind, runway 18 Morris.
Lowest traffic, Sky 2202 Quebec, depart runway 20, stand back close.
And Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 80 X-ray crossing, runway 927 on Golf Lewis.
Lowest traffic, Sky 2202 Quebec is turning left downwind runway 20 short approach Lewis.
South traffic, time 364 is left downwind, runway 9 Golf. South traffic, 8 for 2, get the Papa, turn final 20 left.
Bedford County traffic, Skyline 320 to 4 to the northeast, will make a great end runway 20, Jefferson.
690er, 009er, it's final 18, touch and go north.
Wood Lake traffic, I got line 756, Wood Lake.
Traffic for 2 Papa, going around runway 20 left.
Morris traffic, R20 uniform, turning left cross on runway 18. Morris, if there's nobody on the downwind conflicting, we'd like to do a short approach. Morris.
Lewis traffic, Shark 5059 Charlie, departing runway 20, staying in the pattern, Lewis.
We'll enter our left downwind for 12, Bravo Grove.
Yeah, we're coming. Lewis, traffic sky 2202 Quebec is trying to follow runway 20, Lewis.
Hey, you guys are gonna have to go around, I'm sorry, I didn't see you.
18 midfield, Morris.
You could have went if you just went. If you just went, I could have been able to go, but I'll go around for 2202 Quebec.
Lewis, shot 4 Mike Alpha left, down number 2, 20 Lewis.
Where'd you go, Whiskey Lima? I'm headed over towards Kiwani.
Lewis, traffic sky 2202 Quebec is trying to final runway 20 short approach, Lewis.
Morris traffic, Cessna 690er, 009er, is turning left, crosswind 18, 4.
Skyhawk 364, turning left downwind, runway 9er, golf.
Lewis traffic 59 Charlie, clear of 20.
Morris traffic 5 Bravo Sierra, turning left base, runway 18, Morris.
Lewis traffic November 674 Mike Alpha, turning left base, runway 20 Lewis.
Morris traffic, Cessna 690er, 009er, is left downwind 18, Morris.
Morris traffic 5 Bravo Sierra, turning final runway 18, Morris. Morris traffic, R20 uniform, turn left crossing on runway 18. We're going to depart to the east off the crosswind, Morris.
Lewis, traffic sky 5 Skyhawk 2202 Quebec is departing runway 20, stay in the pattern, Lewis.
Lewis traffic sky 11614, crossing runway 279 on golf. Lewis traffic. Lewis traffic sky 673 Mike Alpha, turning left base, runway 20 Lewis.
Automated weather observation 2026 Zulu level
we on runway
140 at 11 visibility.
Lewis traffic sky 673 Mike Alpha is clear of runway 20 Lewis.
Lewis, traffic sky 2202 Quebec is final runway 20, Lewis.
Lewis traffic sky 602 Mike Alpha, left downwind runway 20, Lewis traffic.
Lewis, traffic sky 2 Fox Alpha on a 4.5 mile 45 runway 20, Lewis.
All traffic, RV 4K, roll. Vector 2 mile 45 for left downwind 9 Golf.
Lewis traffic. Turning extend left downwind number 2, runway 20.
Morris, traffic Cessna 69009er is left downwind runway 18, 2000 departing the area to the northeast.
Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 673 Mike Alpha, crossing runway 27 and 9er on Golf, Lewis.